Teide National Park, located in Tenerife, is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. As the highest peak in Spain and one of the most visited national parks in Europe, Teide offers unique landscapes that are truly spectacular. The park is dominated by Teide Peak, a volcanic mountain that stands 3,718 meters above sea level. Its majestic presence provides a stunning backdrop for travelers. The varied landscape of Teide National Park includes colorful rock formations and dense forests, making it a nature lover's paradise. Tourist traffic to Teide is on the rise due to its popularity and accessibility. Travelers can take advantage of a variety of hiking trails suitable for different fitness levels and interests. Whether you are an avid hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll amidst the splendor of nature, there is something for everyone on Teide. Teide National Park also offers travelers a number of amenities. There are visitor centers where you can learn about the geology and history of the park, as well as explore interactive exhibits. Cable cars give you the opportunity to climb to higher altitudes without tedious hikes, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape.